You.
What can we get started for you?
Can I have a tall caramel macchiato?
A tall caramel macchiato?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then also a brewed hot coffee. Let's do the Venti with half and half, please, and 6 Splenda.
Hey, you got it. Something else today?
Nope, that'll do it.
All right, 921. We'll see you at the
Amazing.
window.
All right, thank you.
The boses lang ano. It's a nice sweater day. Again, with the sun. What's the name of this place?
I don't know, a scenic overlook. Wait till you get up there. Over here, Asawa.
The Colorado River. Resort front.
It's not as scenic as I thought. I thought it was going to be more scenic, but not so.
What is it? It's a water? Huh?
Yeah.
It's a water soul? Big mountain.
Through here, Asawa. This used to be all rock all the way across. They had to blast it. Okay.
Yan lang.
It's not as scenic as I thought.
Yeah. Kasi boil pa siya. Tingnan niyo yung mga bundok. Wala man lang kakahoy-kahoy dyan.
Oh, you get ready, Asawa. This would be a view and a half.
Dito to sa may Hoover. Saan ba to? Hoover Dam? In Nevada. Yeah. Marami din dito mga tourist spot. Grabe ganda. Wala ito sa Pilipinas. Dito lang to banda. Tingnan nyo. Grabe pala dito mga bukid, mga bato-bato na madadaanan. Pero maganda. Tagos-tagusan. This place?
The bridge right here. Look over there. Look, get ready to look down.
Oh my god. What's the name of this place?
Because it's a bridge.
I'm in
Google it.
this place.
Google it.
What part?
Arizona.
Oh, it's part of Arizona.
Nevada.
Oh, look at that. God, Arizona. Welcome to Arizona.
That's the reason why I didn't watch the sea.
It's look like nice. I never seen this in Philippines. Only here in Arizona. Kingman Wash. The road.
Now you're in Arizona, so
Yeah, welcome. More mountain in Arizona. Okay, right?
Vegas to
This dam?
yes. Asawa, this was on a movie. Many movies.
Oh my god.
This
Ito daw
dam was built in 1940, I think.
Oh, kailangan natin talaga mapuntahan to kasi ito yung mga famous na makikita natin sa movie. Yung dam na nagsusuporta ng electric sa buong USA. Hindi naman lahat. Los Angeles, Nevada, Arizona, and what else? California. Look at that.
grids.
That's why many. Because of the power here.
Generate. These are pulleys they used to use to build. Oh, look right there, Sawa.
Oh, look at the
That's
bridge.
the bridge you were on.
Oh no. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
It's too high. It's like 60 floor. It's more. God. Goodness. Oh.
But
God.
you were okay with it, Asawa, when you went over it?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Until you see really how big it is.
Oh my God. This is big. American is big. People is big. Tulay is big. Everything is big. Oh my goodness. See? Ang lalim. Dito nagsushooting ng mga artista minsan. Yung mga
Always got a drone.
yung mga movie star ng Hollywood. Matalong sila dyan, no? Spider-Man. Yan yung dam. Kita nyo yan? Sa ilalim.
See the dam?
I can see it.
Very,
Open the car.
very historical. Charge for in-cab.
Lamig.
You can park here though. You can get out and walk.
No climbing. Wow. Grabe na mga bukid dito. Ito yung halaman nila, oh. Nabubuhay pa ba ito dito? Parang wala naman ditong lupa. Puro bato. Pakitkit nga sa bato.
What the hell is that? Okay, come on, Asawa.
Yeah, because the Filipino, you know, you need to bite the stone. It's normal. It's culture.
No, it's not.
If you go to the place that you dream,
You're foolish.
you need to bite the stone. Oh, ha ha ha.
Asawa.
Yan, oh.
Huh?
Yan. Kapag napanood nyo yan sa movie, yan na yun. Hoover Dam. How many years build this dam?
I don't know, a long time.
100 years?
No, Asawa. Yeah, they built it back in the 1910s.
Sira ulo talaga yung asawa ko, diba? Tapos ako dito alam mo, nakatakon ako dito, sila nakapang boots. Tapos ako nakatakon lang, tapos nakapang ano pa, di ba? Oh, napakalalim. Guys, finally, nakaapak na rin ako dito. Di ba? Kita nyo yan? Ito kasi yung nagsusupply ng electric sa buong Arizona, Nevada, Los Angeles. Kaya medyo historical yung ano niya. Story. I love you. Look at me. Oh my God. Look at me. Look at me.
I will stand right there.
It's over there.
Yeah, see, this is Lake Mead.
Where's the water comes from?
The Colorado River. Colorado from the snow. When the snow melts, it keeps putting water down. That's how much snow. Yeah, it's low right now. There's no snow.
Look at this, guys.
There's the snow.
There is a snow. Look at the white one. Yan yung snow dito. Kunti pa lang. Dito sa Arizona. Yan. Nag-melt na kasi hapon eh. Anong oras na? Alas 2 na ng hapon. Siguro kaninang umaga. Kaninang umaga. May snow.
No.
Pero pag tingnan mo yung
No.
yung bundok ko, may snow.
Bakit?
Ganun. Yan.
Bakit?
Maingay eh. Mamaya na nga lang kung mag-vlog, maingay